Good day, everyone. In this video, I'll guide you through creating a Google form step by step. Let's get started. First, open Google Chrome and type forms google.com in the address bar. If you're signed into your Google account, you'll immediately see the Google Forms dashboard. On the right-hand corner, you'll notice the template gallery. This gives you dozens of ready-to-use templates, from quizzes, feedback forms, event RSVPs, to contact forms. But for full control, let's click on Blank Form. Here at the top, click where it says Untitled Form. Let's rename it. For example, Company Feedback 2025. Just below, you can type a short description like, "Please fill this form to help us improve our services." This will help participants know exactly what the form is about. Now, click on the default question. Let's change it to your full name. On the right side, you'll see a drop-down menu with question types. Select Short Answer. To make sure this is mandatory, toggle on the required button at the bottom right of the question. This ensures no one can skip this field. Let's add more questions by clicking the plus button on the side. For email, choose Short Answer again and mark it as required. Now let's add a multiple choice question. Would you recommend our services? Add options, yes and no. You can even click Add Other so people can write their own response. Next, let's take it further. At the top, click on the palette icon to customize the theme. Here you can add a header image, change theme colors, and select fonts. For a business form, use clean fonts like Formal or Basic. For a fun quiz, select Playful. This instantly changes the look and feel. Before sharing, click the eye icon at the top to preview your form exactly as respondents will see it. Now go to the Settings gear icon. This is where advanced controls are hidden. Under Responses, you can enable limit to one response per user forces login with Google. Edit after Submit allow users to change answers later. Collect emails automatically. Under Presentation, you can enable a progress bar or shuffle question order to avoid cheating in quizzes. Once finished, click the Send button on the top right. You can share via email, copy the link, or even embed it on a website. If the link is too long, tick the option Shorten URL to make it cleaner.